Hello guys, welcome to my channel Lifestyle Tech and my name is Suham. So today I'm gonna lock and unlock a new unboxing experience. So here I'm talking about the smart lock. Yes guys, this smart lock is in the market and it works with your fingerprint. Yes. So let's go ahead and let's see what is there in this smart lock and what are the features that are there in the smart lock. So please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such content. So let's start. So guys, let's go and see what is there inside the box. Now this I have purchased it from Amazon and I have paid for this rupees 2999, and here are few of the features that you can see. So you can open this up in less than a second, which is one of the main features. It is very sleek and secure with sturdy structure, and also it remembers who you are and whom you trust. And it also has got a long lasting rechargeable battery along with weatherproof. Now as you open up the box, you can see there are certain documentation which will welcome you to this smart lock. And it also has a YouTube channel which you can check by the name Open Latch Lock. And going forward, you can see it will show you or it will guide you how to make this thing work, how to lock it, how to unlock it, how many fingerprints can be used, and what are the way you can use it, and how many people can use it, also regarding the battery and all. So you can go ahead and read this documentation for more knowledge. And here is one sticker which I also mentioned inside, which is like Make in India kind of an initiative. And there are 4 other colors available, and I have gone and ordered for the yellow color, and I think the yellow color really looks good. And there is the cable, the USB cable to recharge this battery. Now it has got a very smart and intuitive technology which only recognizes your fingerprint or your loved one's fingerprint only, and it is quite fast, to be very frank. Now the battery life, if once recharged, can be used for 3 months, and to be very frank guys, the body of this device is very tough. It has got an aluminium alloy material, and the shackle has gotten hardened steel. It also weighs only 236 gram, and the charger that you can see here is micro USB 5-volt supply, and the charging time is 2 hours to get full charged. So I think this device is really good, and people who are looking for technology or looking for a device, smart device probably, this is the best for them. It can be used in various conditions. It has been tested and tried. It can be used for your gates, shutters, shades, doors, channel gates or shops. I think it's a multi-purpose lock which you can use it, and I would definitely recommend it for everyone who is very much into tech devices and wanted to make their devices smart. Okay guys, now to sum up, or let's say the highlight of the devices that I have unboxed today. The name of the device, as you can see, which I mentioned already, is the Open App Latch Pro. Now this Open App lock makes the sharing access to your home very simple, and it puts you in a complete control, in fact, for you and your loved ones. So this Latch Pro will do its job to protect any place, any space, and in case you have anything that you wanted to get protected to, from your main gate to your storerooms, and there is no limit to what it can protect, to be very frank. 3 things that I would definitely would like to highlight here and to sum up is that the smart technology of the fingerprint sensor that it has, it is very much fast. It is a very durable design. As you can see, the build and the quality is really good, and it is even weatherproof, which is tried and tested, and the performance is really fast. I mean, it doesn't have to wait for long. I mean, the battery gets charged very fast, in fact, and it also got a warranty that you can use it too. So all in all, I think it's a very good product, and definitely you guys should go and check it out. I will leave the link in the description for you guys, which if you wanted to buy it, probably you can go and check the link and you can buy it. So guys, thank you for the video. Thank you for watching my video today, and I would like to bring in more such videos to you. Do comment, like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.